you know, I would give it to a stylist to have them do it on another stylist. But these are kind of the top things that you want to make sure that they're doing correctly. Okay, so when they take a section, just take a nice, you know, couple-inch section, whatever they're comfortable working with. I actually think it would be really cool if you go into a salon and you're lucky enough for someone to be doing a set already, just say, you know what, do 3 curls with this, and just see what you think the difference is. So the real thing, the real kind of wow factor comes from the saturation of the product. Okay, because the client might go like this and then try to curl it, and they're not going to see that. So what you want to do is really go through, under, over, and just saturate it for them. Okay, let's put that right there.
It's on there.
Yeah, it's on there. Also, just a nice comb through to see how nice it is. Okay, what you're going to have them do first is go through with the flat iron. And again, when you flat iron this, one of the most kind of, I think, impactful things is how it creates that really hard ribbon right there. You know, you can, right then you can say, well, see, this is going to save you time because you have to do 40% less passes. That was one pass, right? And they're like, well, it looks very set and kind of hard. You brush your comb through that once, and it's perfectly soft and straight, right? And I mean, that is like a wow for a client. Instant. You know, and then you go through the whole spiel of, you know, well, if you've ever tried to curl flat iron hair before, it's impossible. You know, and I was telling last week, the reason is because when you flat iron, you rob that hair of all the hydrogen bonds. You've taken all moisture out, right? Moisture is what shapes hair. Why do you think, remember the old wet sets? That was just water. You know, then they use gel and stuff, but when hair is wet, it's at its most flexible. So when you use the flat iron, you've taken all that away, and you can't get a nice, you know, shape out of it. But with the, I'm going to have you turn this a little, perfect. But with the thermo styler, that allows us to recreate that. So it's kind of like a cheat for us. Let's see. You're kind of tall. Oh, well. You're tall again.
First time I've ever heard that.
Second time.
Yeah.
So then you will have them curl it, right? And same kind of thing. Just have them do their natural curl, you know, whatever they feel comfortable with, and just let that hair out. Okay. And instantly they can see, wow, it's taking a curl. All right, this is for them. They can feel that as it's warm, you can still touch it and it's not falling apart. Okay? They can comb through it. They can see, oh my God, even warm, it still holds a right wave to it. All right? These are really huge things for stylists. I'm telling you, they freak when they see it. You know, and then again, okay, you don't like it, you can go right back to straight. Again, one pass, and it takes that curl totally out of the hair. So letting your stylist really feel that is where that impact comes from. Okay, so key points for you guys: saturation, right? Making sure that product's saturated through the hair. Making sure that I would pick one of their top stylists to do it on. I wouldn't have an assistant do it that's not busy. I would actually grab someone. If someone's with a client, even better. You know, so when you go in, just see, you're like, okay, I want to demo this today. Let's see, does anyone have hot tools out? Is anyone currently working with them? It's a great time to grab a couple people to come over and show them. But I think the real power with Hot Flex spray is in the demo. And I want everyone to really utilize that, because if we can get, I said, quick blow dries the toe in the door, you know, Hot Flex sprays the foot in the door, then they're wondering, my God, what the heck does the rest of the line do? You know, now they're really interested in it. So I just wanted to kind of re-show you guys that. Is that cool?